Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how if you want to use your computer on your phone remotely, and then you can access, you can play the games, you can use the as a keyboard or many things that you can get on this software that you can control your PC remotely with your phone, and then you can playing the game from the PC and then control on your phone as a controller, or you can use the keyboard, you can zoom out, zoom in, all everything you can get in this software. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so first of all you open your browser and then type there mon8, then hit enter. You can see on the top official link mon8.com. Here you can see the highly customizable remote control and game streaming software. So we click the download. Then you can see here available on the Google Play Store, and then download APK Play Apple Store, and then Windows. So I click the available on in Windows, so I am downloading for the Windows. And then same thing we download in our phone also. So I go my phone, open my Play Store, and then type here Monet, then install in my phone also. So both side I am downloading. This one downloading on the Microsoft Store, that's why it's getting late. The phone already downloaded. While downloading on my PC, so I open my phone. The software already downloaded. Then I open, then click yes, okay, then next, I agree terms and condition, install. Then run PC remote receiver, so I click finish. Now as you can see, our software is already downloaded and then phone also downloaded. So if we can connect anything, I never show this again, and then desktop, you can see it's already appear on my screen, my desktop. I connect, and then here you can see the my phone is controlling your PC. So I can, you see this my phone now is a mouse running. If the I can use as a mouse, then if I want to control the sound of the PC also, I can control. If I can play any music, for example, I just play music for, I think I don't have any music. For example, here for example, I play this song. Then if I can reduce the sound here, you can see I reduce from the phone. It's very simple, I can control. And then if I can play the next track, I click the next track, so I can control so I can control easily my computer sound from the phone. Then if I want mute, I can click the mute. And then for example, if I want to use my keyboard, I close first this one. So one by one if we open the new folder, and then I open a Microsoft document. So very smoothly I can use this, so I can move like that. And then now if I want to type, I select the keyboard, and then for example, I just type here subscribe to my channel. See, I am typing from the phone. It's very good software for me. I can control remotely my laptop or computer and exit this one. Then here you can find out the many things that you can do from your phone to PC. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.